Hi guys.
Hey! So today we're going to do a Curlfriends edition, and Alexis is going to let me style her hair. I'm going to do 5 quick, cute hairstyles that she can do on a regular, go, no products, just pins and a scrunchie. Super quick, low maintenance.
Yes, I can stop only wearing my hair one way.
Yeah, we're
This
going to
way.
switch it up for her.
Delilah, darling, do you like Beijing? Your coffee, tea, a wild breeze on a day of dawn. Often need a child, smiles at me cause I made a yarn. Dolly, me a mile, trade $1 for your dime. Idolist Delilah, trotting trees remind me of my darling D the diver. Diver D was a sailor, follow figure run. I made him run away with the stale bung. Follow me a mile, idolist Delilah. Darling, Miss Delilah, while you're wasting your days alone, all your friends are hired, all your friendships are fading. Don't try to cheat the die, don't look the other way, could play out wrong. Are you suicidal? Are you in denial? Idolist Delilah, while you're waking my latest song. Glad to see you smile, glad to see you so stable. What's all of these divided by the pile of peas on the nape of your dolly? Me and mine, I'll trade $1 for your dime. I'll take you. Can't get but I do. Can't get